Hey guys, Carly here, and today I have a super fun jump rope trick that I'm going to teach you called the elephant, just like this. This is a great beginner to intermediate jump rope trick, so make sure you guys grab your rope and come join me. Hey guys, Carly here, and thanks for joining me on how to do this fun jump rope trick called the elephant. So this is a great beginner to intermediate jump rope trick, super easy to learn, fun to do, so let's get started. Alright, so here's what you need to do. You need to pick which leg you want to cross under. So in an elephant, it is just lifting one leg and you're crossing underneath your leg, right where your knee bends. You're going to cross, and that's where you jump over the rope, okay? So we want to make sure that we have this movement and placement down first before we start jumping over the rope, okay? Once you get this down, it's going to be really easy to get the movement and rhythm down, okay? So here we go. Pick whatever leg you want. Usually we have one side that's more dominant than the other. I'm more comfortable and flexible lifting my right leg, so I'm going to do my right leg and I'm going to cross underneath it, okay? So here's what you need to know. You want to make sure that your cross is tight enough, so you're going to have a big enough loop and enough rope to jump through. You want to make sure that your wrists are parallel to the ground and that they're straight out. If you have your wrists down, you're going to trip over your rope. If you have them pointing up, you're going to trip over your rope. Or if you have one and one, all right, you're still going to trip over your rope. You got to make sure you have a nice, clean, straight cross right here so that you're going to have enough rope to jump through, okay? So we're going to start with the rope behind it. We're going to swing it over our head and just cross. We're not going to jump over the rope yet, okay? So my rope's behind me. I'm going to swing, lift my leg, cross, okay? And just look down. Is your loop big enough and round enough for you to jump through right here? Or do you need to crouch down a little bit more? Do you need to make your cross a little bit tighter? Just look down and see if that is something that you're going to be able to jump through, okay? So once you have that down, practice this a couple times. So rope behind you, swing it, cross. Just let it hit your toes, okay? You want to get this movement down as many times, 3, 4, 5 times. You need to, just so you're comfortable with it, and that way when you're ready to jump over the rope, it's going to be seamless, right? So do this a couple times, okay? Just make sure you have the right placement and you got this down, okay? Once you feel like you have that position down, you're ready to try jumping over the rope, okay? So you're going to start with the rope behind you. You're going to swing it, cross, jump, and uncross, okay? So when you swing it, you're going to jump over it, and then you're going to uncross it at the next jump, okay? And that turns into a basic jump. Let me show you again. So we're going to start with the rope behind us. We're going to swing it, cross, uncross, okay? Just like that. I'm going to do it in slow motion for you a couple times here. Alright guys, that's basically all there is to the elephant. So once you get your right leg down, you can practice on your left leg, and then I also have another tutorial that teaches you how to do it jumping backwards, which is also really fun. I also want to add in that I do have a long handled jump rope, which sometimes makes things a little bit easier to do your crisscrosses, but again, you do you. Anyway guys, thanks for joining me. Make sure you like, comment below, subscribe to my video, and let me know what you want to learn. Have a great day. Bye.